Hi, how you doing? I'm Sidecom from affiliateship.com and another video for you today, and a very important one as well, I believe. So today's topic is about never build your affiliate business around a single affiliate program. All right. So I'm writing this and creating this video at the time when something major has happened in the affiliate industry, would say. Amazon recently announced that some huge changes to the affiliate program if you're promoting Amazon products, and these changes are to do with generally, them reducing their affiliate commission rates in some of their product categories, and this of course will impact and reduce income for many affiliate businesses that promote products from Amazon, and those that have also built the entire business, affiliate business around promoting solely Amazon products. For example, there's dedicated Amazon affiliate stores that are built on displaying Amazon affiliate links that lead to the Amazon product pages for their audiences to purchase. And whatever the reasons behind Amazon's affiliate program changes, I can sympathize with the hundreds of thousands of affiliates who rely and promote Amazon products to earn income online. However, when events and change of this nature occur, that impact your income, then it can also be a wake-up call and a lesson to learn from, and improve your affiliate business going forward, based on these changes, and going forward for the future, right? The key lesson here is that to not depend on, or build your affiliate business around a single affiliate program. Okay, because when you do, your whole affiliate business income is basically reliant and in control of that affiliate program. And when the affiliate program changes certain things like reducing affiliate commissions, or make changes to terms and conditions in any way, then as a consequence, your affiliate business could potentially take some form of hit. As in the case of Amazon, if you're promoting Amazon products, you potentially reduce your income, affiliate income earning potential, right? So I believe the better strategy for long-term success and sustainability is to partner with more than one or multiple affiliate programs that provide, of course, high value, in demand, reputable products and services that are in alignment with your niche. This way, if one income stream drops from one affiliate program, or even affiliate commissions reduce, like in the case of Amazon, then you have multiple other income streams of income working for you, thus still keeping your affiliate business running. And yes, you may lose some of your income, but you won't lose all of your income if you only, were to promote one affiliate program or products and services, as in the case of Amazon, and or by just promoting a single affiliate program. In addition to partner up with multiple affiliate programs, the ultimate long-term strategy to attain longevity for your business and sustainability for your affiliate business is to always be focusing on building your brand and growing your email list, a process which I personally am also striving and practicing. With your brand and email list in place, you can easily introduce and promote new products and services at any given time to your audience, just by starting off sending off a few emails. And this strategy can also help to minimize any negative impact on your affiliate business when one affiliate program decides to do something which you're not happy about or can't do nothing about, in the case of what Amazon's doing, right? Which is fine. At the end of the day, they're a business, they need to do what they need to do, what's right for their business and grow their business. So you can't really blame or anything like that, right? But you need to focus on your business and think about how you can sustain and work around things like that. Okay, so as also a reminder of equal importance is to always adhere to and practice serving your audience to the highest value of everything. Okay, from the content and information, education, advice that you provide to the products and services that you're promoting to them, because all these strategies that I mentioned must be practiced and implemented together. They must work together. Okay, for example, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you're promoting multiple offers when these offers turn out to be of little value and do not satisfy your audience's needs and requirements. If you slack or fail to deliver great value and service overall, then you'll be potentially losing more than just low commissions. Instead you may be losing your audience's trust and likeness. You may be losing your audience, which is the one crucial thing that drives your affiliate commissions, right? Trust and likeness, of course. And if you lose trust and likeness from your audience, then you can potentially say goodbye to commissions altogether. Therefore, it is of utmost importance to continually provide the highest value and service, and ensure that it's one of your top priorities when operating your business on a day-to-day basis, and as a result you increase your chances of gaining more customers, generating more potential commissions, and retaining those customers and your audience, thus overall growing your affiliate business for the long term. Okay, so that's it for now for this video. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and thank you for watching this video. If you like more stuff like this, visit affiliateship.com/newsletter, and yeah, thank you and all the best.